Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Hey guys, in this video, I explore Cedar Breaks National Monument in southern Utah. An incredibly beautiful place to visit. Cedar Breaks is just 20 minutes drive from downtown Cedar City. On your drive, you'll see beautiful mountains. I love the cool air, pine sands, wildflowers, and some animals too. Cedar Breaks is one of America's most special parks because it's shaped like a giant coliseum dropping 2,000 feet to its floor. It is an incredibly beautiful place. Colors and views are stunning. It is a hidden gem that is an absolute jaw-dropper. I felt like I was on top of the world. Most of the gorgeous views are accessible from the road via pull-outs and parking areas. It is really easy to get to the viewing area. Beautiful area for me, and a great place to visit if you don't have a ton of time. If you want less crowded place, this is the right place for you.